Yeah, that needs a Regina version.
Hello, everyone. I think we all have all of our board colleagues and council colleagues at the table. I think I'm missing one of my colleagues, Councilmember Cunningham. Thank you all for joining us today. Chair Scott,
Mayor Romero,
start us off.
delighted to be here for this joint meeting, otherwise known as the intervention for Steve Christie.
Wow.
Sorry, we surprised you.
All I can say is I've never seen so many Democrats in one place.
You just said that. That's it, buddy.
Alrighty, so we will start today officially with a joint meeting of the mayor and council and the board of supervisors. Today's Tuesday, November 18th, and we're going to start with roll call.
Ms. Manriquez, if you could call roll for the board.
Supervisor Allen,
Here.
Supervisor Cano,
Here.
Supervisor Christie,
Here.
Supervisor Hines,
Present.
Chair Scott.
Here.
Let the record show all Pima County Board of Supervisor members are present.
And also wanted to welcome our county attorney, Ms. Conover, and her chief deputy, Mr. Brown.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Clerk. Please do roll call.
Councilmember Cunningham,
Do we need you on my hell yeah?
Oh.
Here.
Councilmember Dahl,
Here.
Councilmember Lee,
Here.
Councilmember Bettis,
Here.
Councilmember Ulick,
Here.
Vice Mayor Santa Cruz,
Absent, excused.
Mayor Romero.
Here.
We have a quorum, Mayor.
Alrighty, thank you so much. We're going to move to item 2.
If you could all rise and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic which stands one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And really am grateful that Mayor Romero, when she does the land acknowledgement, is going to do the land acknowledgement that we read before all of our board meetings, which was authored by our former colleague and our newest member of the United States House of Representatives.
So thank you. It's an honor. On behalf of Pima County residents, we honor the tribal nations who have served as caretakers of this land from time immemorial and respectfully acknowledge the ancestral homelands of the Tohono O'odham Nation and the multi-millennial presence of the Pasquayaqui tribe within Pima County. Consistent with Pima County's commitment to diversity and inclusion, we strive towards building equal partner relationships with Arizona's tribal nations.
Thank you, Mayor Romero.
Chair Scott,
Supervisor Hines.
thank you for the acknowledgement. I just wanted to let everyone know that we are joined by the mayor of South Tucson, Roxy Valenzuela.
Thank you, Supervisor.
Welcome, Mayor Valenzuela. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Thank you so much for joining us as well. Really appreciate that, Supervisor Hines.
I think as we move into item number 4, which is the main reason that we were here, Mayor Romero and I agreed that we would kick this off with each of us making a statement, and I believe you were going to go first.
Thank you, Chair Scott. I really appreciate it. I think that I'm just happy to see all of us here. It's the last time we had a joint meeting. We had to do it virtually because of COVID-19. And I think that it's perfect that we're here. And because like COVID-19, right, when there's an emergency, we are better when we work together as partner jurisdictions. And right now, and for some time now, we both have been working very hard to make sure that we're attending to the issues that's happening in our community. City of Tucson is part of Pima County, and so we have shared residence. And one of the most important issues that we can work together on in partnership is the double crisis of unsheltered homelessness and the lack of affordable housing, as well as the public health crisis of opioid and fentanyl use in our community. These are issues that I've said for many years we can't resolve on our own, right? The city of Tucson cannot resolve on its own. Pima County cannot resolve on its own. Even holding hands and doing work together, we cannot resolve on our own. We need to make sure that both the Board of Supervisors and the city of Tucson and the mayor and council get on our same page so that we can resolve an issue that really is a societal issue that has had lack of investment from all layers of government for many, many decades. And so we are better and have better results when we hold hands, when we work together for the benefit of our mutual constituents. And so I'm happy to be here today. Want to make sure that we talk about the work that has been done so far, what the county does, what the city does, and then what are the gaps in services, both on the justice system and on the behavioral, mental health, substance use issues, the health issues, so that we can find immediate solutions to what we are all seeing on our streets play out. And that those most vulnerable are those that are going through the issue, right? That those most vulnerable are the individuals that have serious mental illnesses, substance use disorders, mental behavioral health issues that are unhoused, that are going through this themselves. So I'm really happy that we're here. I'm looking forward to the conversation and looking forward to a good dialogue.
Mayor Romero, thank you very much. And I really appreciate all of the conversations that we've had last week and this week to help prepare for what I know is going to be a positive and productive meeting. There is always great wisdom to be found in the words of this African proverb. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. The issues that brought us here today will often prompt the expression of strong feelings. Homelessness and addiction evoke thoughts of deprivation and suffering that are daunting, frightening, and unsettling. Coming into this meeting, there were words said and sentiments expressed that attest to the magnitude of the challenges we face. Where we can all agree is that we owe it to the people we represent to confront these obstacles in partnership. This meeting has several purposes. First, we will hear from representatives of our professional staffs about what the city and the county are already doing to address these concerns, very often in collaboration. Next, each one of our colleagues will have the opportunity to ask questions of staff or to propose their own ideas. Through dialogue and discussion, we will identify what we need to do differently or better. Those determinations will set the agendas for subsequent joint meetings and, much more significantly, for the ongoing work our teams will take on together. I want to thank each one of my colleagues for your commitment to public service. One goal I have set for myself today is to seek first to understand rather than to be understood. That is a pledge I owe to you as partners in this work. It is also a promise that will help me to be of service to those without shelter and basic needs, to those tormented by addiction, and to everyone else in our community who expect us to lead with selflessness and care. It is always tempting and therefore easy to stay ensconced in the personal or political realm, but these times demand more from us. Today is merely the first time we will come together, but what we do and say here will send a strong message to our constituents about our intentions and our potential. We need to leave any previous disagreements or divisions behind us and keep a sharp focus on moving forward together. Thank you.
And we're all going to do this in 2 hours. Thank you so much, Chair Scott, really appreciate it. And we do have a presentation by both our Deputy Administrator and our Assistant City Manager. You know, Liz and Steve I don't know if you all talked about who wanted to start first, but we'll start with Liz, Steve. Okay. So, Mr. Chair, we'll have Deputy County Administrator Steve Holmes start the conversation.
Thank you, Mayor Romero. Mr. Holmes.
Thank you, Chair Scott, Mayor Romero, our wonderful city council members and our boards of supervisors, Administrator Lesher, our wonderful Tim Tamura, if I pronounce it correctly. We're here really to try to begin to shape a little bit of how we began as a county, or how we're currently thinking have shaped and prioritized our work in this space, right? And so we've created kind of a few slides that really talks a little bit more about our investments in housing, the justice system, and the
Issues that were alluded to by some of you. So if there's any additional thoughts, I
Not
think
from me.
we're all good. I think we have our marching orders. Yeah.
All of you would have with hooves and horns. Not the case. And by the way, thank you for everybody being so friendly and gracious. I
Thank
appreciate
you
it.
so much. Have a wonderful rest of your meeting, and we're headed out to our own. Thank you.
Thank you all so much. That was great.